In this video, you will learn about punctuations. As learned earlier, punctuations refer to the marks used in writing that helps the reader understand what they are reading. There are 5 basic punctuation marks. They are the full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and apostrophe. The full stop is used to show the end of a complete sentence, and a question mark is used to show the end of a question. For example, Jay went to the bus stop. Or, how are you? Let us understand the punctuation comma. Commas are used to separate elements in a sentence. For example, there are cats, dogs, birds, and butterflies in the garden. Or, there is milk, juice, and water in the fridge. Commas are also used for the reader to understand the text clearly. For example, let's eat grandma. With the comma, the sentence would read, let's eat grandma. Or, the man said his wife was sad. With the commas, the sentence would read, the man said his wife was sad. Exclamation marks are used when the reader wants to express a strong emotion. For example, help, she is drowning. Or, Yahoo, we won the match. Exclamation marks can be used after a command like run, or get the doctor, or after a warning like don't do that again, or to express an urgency like help, she's drowning, or to convey a strong emotion like I love ice cream. It can change a short phrase like this is it into an expression of anger, this is it. Remember not to use more than one exclamation mark unless you are writing a comic book. Now you know how to use commas and exclamation marks.